Hello, good noon. I am at my high school family day, a reunion of all my classmates since high school, 30 years since. So we will feature today all my classmates and they will contribute an Ilonggo word and let's translate them to English. Let's see. Food. This one is pangat. Kasag, lumpia. Ano yung klase ng lumpia? Pansit. I don't know what kind of pansit. Valenciana. Valenciana. Manok. Bloody dinuguan. This is my classmate Glenn and what he's doing with the lechon is lasa. Lasa is to chop the lechon to eatable morsels. That's lasa. Angeline, Grajola, Abelia, give me an Ilonggo word. Uyak ko. She's shy.
Ginahigugma kita.
Ooh, I love you in Ilonggo.
Ambot.
Ambot. Interesting. Ambot means, I don't know.
Ano man?
Ano man? What? Ian, give me an Ilonggo word.
Munay.
Ay, munay mo nang ko to.
Ilonggo word.
Itlog.
Give me an Ilonggo word. Right? Diyos ko. Oh my God.
Ilonggo word.
Baho. Smelly. Smelly. Baho. Emily and Melody. Gay ko Ilonggo word and translate it to English.
Musta ka na?
Kamusta ka na? How are you?
Di ka makadto.
Where are you going?
Palangga.
Palangga. Beloved. Kasadyahan. Kasadyahan celebration, happiness. One Ilonggo word. Kung ano tayo na pinsaran mo?
Kaon eh.
Kaon. Eat. To eat. Let's see if we can pick up some Ilonggo words in real life conversation.
Amo na lang kaswetin nyo nga duwa. Pero biniye sila ka mo kita nay.
Sila kineso na, duha yung katapid yo.
Hindi ka magpulit. Puli ang matamat eh.
Madam Dorothy, kabulan, gibaso.
Palagyo ya gen. Palagyo ya.
Word.
Ilonggo word man.
Isa ano nga Ilonggo word?
Bilas ko gaya. Bilang gabang ya.
Camilo.
Bilang gabang ya. Latyamak.
Anong ginalayan sa bilas kugay kag bilang gabang?
Kagyo di pongkling.
Hindi pa cute nga buyaya.
Ilonggo word.
Ilonggo word.
Kon si June.
Gabalam ko niya. Craving, no? There's another Ilonggo word. Pochiko, meaning take home food after the party.
Puli.
Puli na ta. Let's go home. Guapa, maganda. Guapa, beautiful, pretty. A picture is pakudak. Pakudak, pa picture. This is Joan of Art and see you at the next reunion. Life and love.